Stop letting your mobile provider steal hundreds of dollars from you in data roaming charges. In this Saily eSIM review and tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to travel anywhere without internet restrictions with just a simple setup. I have personally tested Saily across multiple countries to see if it actually holds up to the massive hype. And the one thing that gives me the absolute most peace of mind is that it was developed by the NordVPN creators. These are the absolute industry giants in internet security, which means your personal data and connection are in safe hands. Today, we are going to test the real-world internet coverage to see how fast and reliable it really is. Then, I will show you the magic of their one-tap installation. No more messing around with confusing QR codes or manual settings. By the end of this video, you will know exactly if this is the best travel eSIM out there for your specific needs. If you travel frequently, you already know the massive headache of trying to stay connected when you land in a foreign country. You usually face two terrible choices. You either have to deal with the terrifying anxiety of coming home to a massive roaming bill from your domestic carrier, or you have to waste precious vacation time hunting down a local physical SIM card at a chaotic airport kiosk. And let us be honest, trying to pop out your primary physical SIM card with a tiny paperclip while standing in a crowded terminal is a complete nightmare. You risk dropping and losing your home SIM card forever, and you are completely disconnected from the world until you figure the whole process out. That is exactly where Saily completely changes the entire travel game. Saily is a digital SIM that you download directly to your smartphone before you even board your flight. There is absolutely no plastic card to lose, and there is no waiting in line at a sketchy mobile counter. The exact moment your plane touches down on the runway, you simply switch the digital line on and you are instantly connected to a fast local network. This gives you the immediate freedom to order an Uber, check Google Maps, or text your family to let them know you landed safely. Now, let me show you exactly how incredibly simple this setup process is from start to finish. Before we dive into downloading the app, you will want to make sure you get the best possible price for your travel data plan. You can get a 10% discount on your Saily eSIM automatically applied by using the link in the video description, and you can use it right away without the offer expiring. Just click that link down below, open it up in a new browser tab, and follow along with me so we can get your phone properly configured for your trip. First, you need to download the official Saily app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you open the application, you will be greeted by a very clean and easy-to-navigate interface showing various travel destinations. You can search for a specific country, a broader region, or even global plans if you are doing a massive multi-country tour. For this specific example, let us select a standard 7-day plan with 3 gigabytes of data. You will see the exact price listed clearly on the screen before you commit to anything. Once you proceed to the checkout page, the payment process is extremely secure and straightforward. Once your purchase is officially complete, it's time to get that eSIM onto your phone. Now, forget everything you know about scanning QR codes or copying long strings of manual codes. Saily has made this incredibly seamless. Right in the app, you'll see a big button that says Install eSIM. All you have to do is tap that button, follow the on-screen prompts to continue, and your phone will handle the rest in the background. It literally takes about 30 seconds and you never even have to leave the Saily app. However, if you're setting this up for a friend or using an older device, Saily still provides a QR code and manual details as a backup. But for 99% of you, that one-tap button is the only thing you'll ever need. Once the eSIM is successfully added to your device, you just need to label it something obvious like travel data so you do not ever confuse it with your main domestic line. When your flight lands and you are allowed to use your phone, you just go back into your cellular settings, turn the new travel eSIM on, and make absolutely sure that data roaming is enabled for that specific new line. Your phone will take a few moments to search for the local signal, and then you will be fully online. It really is that incredibly simple and stress-free. Now, let us talk about the actual performance of the network. An easy setup process means absolutely nothing if the internet coverage is terrible when you actually need it. During my extensive testing, I found that Saily consistently partners with top-tier local network providers in each country. Whether the first was navigating through extremely crowded city centers or taking a high-speed train out to the remote countryside, the connection remained remarkably stable. I was fully able to stream high-definition YouTube videos, make crystal-clear video calls to my team, and upload large files to the cloud without any frustrating lag or buffering. Another huge advantage of using Saily over traditional methods is the absolute transparency in their pricing structure. With traditional mobile carriers, you very often get hit with unexpected charges when you accidentally exceed your daily limit. Saily operates on a strictly prepaid digital model, which means there are absolutely no hidden fees waiting to surprise you. You pay exactly what you see upfront during the checkout process. If you happen to run out of data while you are exploring the city, you can simply top it up directly through the app with a few quick taps. However, I want to maintain complete transparency with you in this review. Saily is an amazing tool, but it is not absolutely perfect for every single type of traveler out there. The one main drawback you need to be consciously aware of is that this eSIM provides cellular data only. It does not come with a local phone number for making traditional voice calls or sending standard SMS text messages. If you are someone who absolutely needs to make standard local phone calls to restaurant reservations or hotel desks that do not use internet messaging, this might require a slight workaround like using Skype or a VoIP service. But for the vast majority of modern travelers who rely entirely on iMessage, FaceTime, WhatsApp, and social media platforms, this data-only approach is more than enough to survive. In fact, keeping your primary domestic number active over a Wi-Fi connection while strictly using Saily for cellular data is arguably the smartest way to manage your communications abroad. To sum this all up, Saily delivers exactly what it promises on the tin. It provides a fast, highly reliable, and incredibly convenient way to stay seamlessly connected on a global scale. It completely eliminates the exhausting stress of finding local networks and entirely protects you from those outrageous roaming charges. If you are a working digital nomad, a frequent business flyer, or just someone going on a short relaxing vacation, this is an essential digital tool for your travel toolkit. If you are ready to secure your internet connection for your next big trip, remember that you can get a 10% discount on your Saily eSIM automatically applied by using the link in the video description, and you can use it right away without the offer expiring. Just make sure you grab your data plan and download it before you even head to the airport. If you're actively planning your upcoming travels right now, you definitely need to know what other applications are essential for a completely smooth journey. Check out the video on the screen right now where I cover the absolute best travel survival apps you need to download before your next flight. Have a fantastic trip, and I will see you in the next video.